We have a supporter from all the way from Australia, so he's going to speak 2 words.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. I'm Drew. I'm from Australia, and some people might ask why would an Australian be speaking in New York about Hong Kong, Tibet, human rights in China? And I think the answer is pretty simple. Our concern for human rights doesn't end at the border. Our concern for human rights is universal. It applies to all human beings at all times. All human beings are born with equal dignity and equal worth. Wherever they are born, we must fight to uphold their dignity, fight to uphold their rights. The situation right now is really bad. In Australia, one of my friends, a Hong Kong activist, he was beaten up by 3 or 4 Chinese nationalists sent by the consulate. Shame! Shame! Yeah. The situation is horrible. And then, of course, in Hong Kong, we see the Hong Kong police thugs raping and killing protesters. And in East Turkistan, we've got millions of Uyghur Muslims in concentration camps in what is a horrible genocide. It's one of the great crises of our time. But, however, while it looks so bad, while it looks like the situation is hopeless, there's still hope. We can still fight this. We can fight. Yeah. We can, by standing together, resist this type of regime. It's better to die fighting than live your life on your knees as a slave. Will we ever give in? Will we ever give in to their thuggery and intimidation? No! Give us liberty or give us death. Yes! Thank you. Free Hong Kong! Free Hong Kong! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free East Turkistan! Free Turkistan! Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you.